This is Cornerstone, Key of C by Reuben Morgan. It's in the most basic way to play it. I've also stripped it down to even more simple than what some people have online for you to be able to learn. So I hope you enjoy it. Also, stop this video right now because I do have the printable chord sheet for you to be able to print out, follow along with me. So check that out. In the key of C, we have three main chords, C, F, G, and then we have an A minor. All right, C chord is made up of C, E, G, F chord, F, A, C, G chord, G, B, D. One step up from that is our A minor, A, C, E. Okay. When our when our right hand is playing chords, left hand's just gonna play some simple single notes. So C can line up your thumb, line up your fingers, and don't move this hand the whole song. It'll just be much easier to learn that way. C note to C chord, F note, F chord, G, and then our A minor. Okay, the rhythm that we're gonna do is kind of a together, right rhythm. I do it often. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Notice when we say together, they both play, but then just the right hand plays by itself. This stays down. That'll just help you sustain a little bit of the noise. And you can throw on the sustain pedal. That'll help carry your noise too if you have a pedal. All right, so I'm going to show you by adding in a little bit of vocals what I mean here. My hope is built on nothing less. Okay, we're going to move to the F. Then Jesus' blood and righteousness. G there. Move up to the A minor. Pretty simple, right? Together, right. Together, right. The chorus, same thing. We're just going to play a different order in which the chords are played, and you don't have the A minor in the chorus. Christ alone, cornerstone, weak made strong in the Savior's love through the storm. He is Lord, Lord of all. Let's see, then you have a verse 3 that repeats itself too. I'm going to play it top to bottom. I think you can go back and go to the beginning if you need some help with where the chords are at and getting that rhythm built in. But I'm going to play it top to bottom so you can play along with me. Enjoy this. I think it's amazing how you can kind of simplify a song down to the most absolute basic chords that you need, and then really play around with vocals, play around with other instruments that you're going to maybe play along with. Or if you're in a band, a garage band, or up on a worship stage. Accompaniment is so fun because you can really just start with the basics and have enough and feel like it's enough, and then allow other people to really add in that melody with you. All right, let's go.